Welcome to part 2 of the school glue template. In this tutorial, I will share my tips and tricks to help easily place your custom glue label stickers. I will leave a link of all my supplies I used, including the paper, in the description box. Following part 1 of the tutorial, you are going to load the material onto your Cricut mat and into your machine. Once you hit your flashing go button, your machine will begin to read the black registration marks for your print, then cut design. For the glue stick packaging, you will load and cut that portion on cardstock. For the glue labels, those will be cut on the sticker paper as seen in the video. Now, carefully remove both off the mat. This is going to fit a 0.53 ounce glue stick and a 4-ounce bottle of liquid glue. If you don't want to make your own packaging for the glue stick, then this is optional. I am going to remove the plastic packaging from the original packaging by using 100% acetone and dabbing it onto the back till it seeps through the front. This will loosen up the glue and the plastic will come right off. Now, removing the backing from the glue stick label. Line it up with the crease of the original label and carefully pull and wrap it around the stick. For the liquid glue, we are going to roll back some of the sticker paper backing to help us have more control of the sticker. You can carefully readjust as needed, but I find this the easiest way to get it perfectly aligned. Once it's all aligned, then we are going to lift from the bottom and slowly remove the rest of the backing while holding it before placing the rest down. Now, we just have to smooth it down into place. After you're going to insert the glue stick into the plastic packaging we removed earlier, pinch the sides to keep it from moving. Add glue along the outside where the old glue was, and seal in by pushing the sides on the new packaging. Your very own custom glue for your kids with their own personalization and favorite characters. I hope the tutorials and template was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on your next creation.